Hi friends, my name is Julianne and today I'm going to be comparing the Kenmore vacuum cleaner with the Eureka RapidClean Pro vacuum cleaner. They are both cordless stick vacuum cleaners, so make cleaning so much easier. They both have their own benefits. I would say if you want one that stands up on its own, the Kenmore is going to be a better option. However, the Eureka can mount to the wall, which is pretty cool as well. So as you can see, I've got two piles of dirt on the floor and we are going to test both of the vacuum cleaners in both handheld and upright positions. So we'll test the handheld position first. So I'm going to go ahead and detach the handheld vacuum cleaner from the vacuum cleaner right here and simply just turn it on. All right, very easily picked up all that dirt. Now let's try the Eureka in handheld position. All right, and we're doing both of these without any attachments. So I'm gonna turn it on now. All right. Did a wonderful job as well. I would say that the Kenmore was a little bit more powerful in handheld position without any attachment on it. So this one's definitely going to be more easily handheld friendly. Now let's go ahead and test them both in the upright position. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump some dirt on the floor again. So let's see, make it so that way y'all can see it. All right. And then we'll try to do both of the vacuums just at the same time. So boom. And they're both super easy to empty as well. So, whoops, wrong side. Boom. All right. Now let's go ahead and try both of them in upright position. So I would say the main difference is they're both super powerful. However, the Kenmore seems to have a bit of a more powerful suction than the Eureka. The Eureka definitely moves a little bit more easily and quickly. So this one's a little bit more of a lightweight and easier option. However, this one I can definitely feel the power. So either way, they're both wonderful. I have pets, as you can see, and they do a wonderful job both at picking up all that dog hair and all of that dust. Thanks so much for watching, guys.